So that's the one that I'm
Ah, the miracle of school glue. Elmer's school glue. Let's talk about school glue, shall we? Let's talk about it. Okay. So, school glue, we're used to, I mean, let's be honest, we've used glue sticks for a really long time. Sometimes we've got to get a little bit lazy. We've gotten lazy. We don't know how to use real school glue anymore. But I got the answers. Here we go. First thing up here, you have to pick its nose. I know it seems pretty gross. I
Gross.
know. I'm so sorry about it, but you got to pick its nose, okay? Just not your nose. Don't pick your nose, okay? You got that? Don't pick your nose.
I'm her kid.
Don't pick your nose. Pick the glue's nose. Okay, open this up.
Yes.
And now I want you to look really, really closely, and you're going to hear it. It's going to start to breathe. It's going to start to breathe. Okay, can you try that too? Can you try that too, Lucy? Grab one of those glue bottles. Grab
I'll
one of those. Okay, grab,
grab this
grab.
one.
Okay, grab that glue bottle. Okay, pick its nose. Let me see if you can do it. Okay,
Pick.
okay.
I'm only 6.5.
Yeah, let's see
Yeah.
if even.
Pick.
Okay,
Pick.
I know.
Sometimes I like to use scissors,
Yep, but
but
honestly,
you don't have to.
yeah, regular old finger will do the job. And you have to twist. I know magically with your mind you might want to do it. And then sometimes I even have to like get it ready, a little bit of CPR, 1, 2, 3, all clear. You want to be able to hear, is it breathing? Is the glue bottle actually breathing? If it's breathing, then you know it is all good to go. Now, I know that we've also forgotten that really beautiful thing. How do you actually use glue? I know it's hard. You don't want a gusher. Here we go. We're going to practice
Yes.
a little bit of a shape.
I'm gonna use you.
Okay, Lucy, I'm going to cut out a shape. Can you show kids the dot, dot, not a lot technique, please?
Yes. Don't like glue it here. Glue it on the seat you want to glue on first. So 1, 2, 3. Sometimes you want to do 3 or 4 or 5 maybe.
Yep, so it's dot,
And then-
dot, not a lot. And now
Yeah.
put it on the
Mm,
boom. Okay, let's try it one more. Here we go. Lucy, dot, dot, not a lot.
blue. And you don't have to do it crazy like this.
No. Oh,
Come on,
geez.
can I
No.
do pink?
Oh, sure. Oh, for sure, for sure, for sure.
Now, this is tissue paper. I'm gonna like fold it in half a little bit to make it sort of like a square shape, just like that. Then 1 glue dot will do, and then just stick it on where you want it.
Okay.
And if it folds up, just
one little dab. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Why wouldn't you just want like tons and tons and why wouldn't you do that?
My brother does that, but you. Oh wait, I think I'm starting to see a face.
That's correct.
Let's make like a face. My mom's cutting the shapes for me. I'll just put this.
Yeah, we'll just do that really fast.
Wherever I want.
But
I want to put this
if
right there.
for some reason, if Lucy, I mean, and here it is, older kids can maybe brainstorm, but you're 6.5, you got this. If for some reason glue starts to come on out there, what could you do? What could help clean it off?
Let me show you.
Oh, do you want to run over and like grab the solution?
Yeah.
Okay, watch this. I see her actually running through the art room right now. Actually just, it's a quick walk, not gonna lie. Oh, she's over by the paper towel dispenser. She's walking over very, very quickly. We're going to pretend.
So, let's pretend there was glue from here all the way to here. So about like this long amount of glue. Okay? I would fold it in half if glue starts to come out. And then fold it again. And then stick my finger down.
Oh,
Then
hello.
take my hand underneath.
Precise.
And do that, and then kind of like that. Then
Dab.
wipe.
Dab.
But if it's starting to come through, open it up, fold it if you can, and then do the same thing again. Wipe.
Oh, because what color will this glue dry?
Kind of like a
Clear.
clear.
Okay. All right. So the things to remember. Nope. Dot, not a lot. Okay. Putting the glue on the paper shape that you're going to glue down. And if there's too much on there, just wipe it away. All right. Thanks for coming to How to Use the Glue.
Bye.